channel. So today this video is kind of different. I'm gonna do some house duty today. So basically this is one of our rental property and the tenants just moved out. And mind you, this was like a brand new construction. So it was so clean, but now everything is very dirty and the walls are dirty, floors are dirty. I'm gonna walk around and give you a tour soon of the yard and everything. But kind of working on a budget, and for me, I can do a lot of stuff, can do a lot of on-demand stuff and stuff like that. And I'm saying I can do it, so why hire somebody when I can actually do it? So today actually my day off. So I'm gonna cut the grass first, and then I'm gonna do some gardening work on the front. And after I finish that, I'm gonna move inside and give you guys a tour because I'm gonna repaint all the walls. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little cleaning here and there. But just stay tuned for the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna give you a walk around how bad it is. So let's go. So first, look at the carpet. This was like a brand new carpet. And this shit is so dirty. We're really planning to remove it. But just check out the carpet. Look at the walls. Very dirty. And as I mentioned before, all of this was brand spanking new. Let's see. Look around. Just the back. Look at all those stains around the back. It's crazy. So I'm gonna have to pressure wash all of that. And yeah, all these window seals, I gotta get them clean. The stove underneath, a lot of, it's crazy though. Got the stove, crazy. So this is a before video. So I want you guys to just rate me and tell me how well I did. I'm gonna repaint the wall. And this is the sink. I'm gonna reseal the sinks. All these. I'm gonna put new seals around it. Yeah, so stay tuned for the video, guys. And look at the tub. Look how they leave that shit. That's crazy. Yeah, so this is basically how everything looks. Look at this bathroom. Mark on the door. Look at the tub. Damn. So yeah. But I'm gonna see how fast I can do everything. And all of the chips on the wall, all that stuff. Yeah. So this is actually the first from they have moved out. They actually came back. But that's what up. But I'm gonna take down all these curtain rod, patch the holes, and get everything ready. So let's go, guys. All right, so let's get to work. what's up guys? So as you realize in the video, I'm actually finished cleaning the carpet. So in case you guys want to know what I use, so I use some baking soda. Yep, some baking soda. I just use this to give back the carpet a fresh scent. And then I bought some carpet cleaner. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Bought some carpet cleaner. Alright, so this is some OxiClean for carpet. So that's one of the things that I use. And then I use some carpet cleaner. I'll show you. But I'm gonna put a clip in the video where you can actually see how dirty this carpet was and how messy this house was. Where do I do that bottle? I don't even know. Oh. And then I bought these. It's Zazep Premium Carpet Shampoo. So I use this. Never cleaned a carpet before, but you know, as a Jamaican, we can do a lot of stuff. I mean, the active ones. Yeah, and this is actually the carpet machine that I actually rent. And it's pretty simple to operate. So you actually get all these pieces and then you have to fit it up. But it's pretty simple because this is like a pressure washer hose. All you gotta do is just hook this up from the carpet cleaner to this vacuum thing right here. And then you have this hose. So this is actually what suck up back all the water from off the carpet. And all you gotta do is just set it up to this. So it's pretty simple. And then you actually have this switch for the hot water, because you gotta pour some water right here and you can put all the mixture, whatever, your carpet cleaner, your OxiClean, whatever you want to put in it. Oh, it's just the thing for all. And then this gauge actually show the PSI of the water pressure. Yeah, this gauge actually show the PSI of the water pressure. This is this two button right here control the vacuum, and this switch control the water. So it's pretty simple to operate here, and you can get it at Home Depot. It's like $150 for the day, or you can rent it for 4 hours for what, I think $75, something like that. But nonetheless, it's pretty cool, it's pretty decent, nice carpet cleaner. And the house is coming together pretty nice. I don't know if I show you the back, how the back actually look. And I'm gonna put some clip of it where before and after, so you guys gonna see. But thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. And what do you guys think? You think I should just start a business doing stuff like this? Because I mean, these things are pretty expensive, you know, to do. And I think I'm pretty good at certain things. Like, they always say to do something you're passionate about. And I got passionate about a lot of stuff. Like cars, house things, like, and gardening and those type of stuff. So, you know, I really enjoy doing stuff like these. It's not really like a burden or anything. But I think I'm pretty good at stuff like these. Yeah, guys, so as you actually see, right now I'm painting the baseboard. Paint them over white, do all the cleaning on the carpet. I mean, the phone ain't doing no justice, but it look way better than before. So yeah. guys, so this is what the bathroom looks like now. Reseal around the sink. Water is clean. This wall is painted.